Let's eat David's hot chicken with bulldog. Yo, those are some creamy noodles. You can't tell me this don't look good. I'm telling you, bulldog in their sandwich is so good.
Let's have a bite with some pickle. I also got their shrimp. Whoa. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think I like the shrimp better than the tenders. Also, look at these wedges, you guys, they're so good. Diet Coke time. You guys, this place is really good. This is Red Chikz. Their wedges are my favorite, and I think the shrimp, that was my favorite. I give this place like a 8. It's pretty good.
Let's eat Wingstop. This summer going into 4th grade, I almost had to get my leg amputated for some ranch. I used to have a neighbor who had an older brother. I was very good friends with a girl who was my age. So one summer day before school started, we were standing outside and there was only a few seats. The brother and his friend had a seat. I remember I was standing. And I remember really wanting to sit down. The brother had went to the bathroom and he had called dibs on his seat or something, so I had been standing for a while. When he went to the bathroom, I sat down. And when he came back, he was upset. Their dad worked in construction or something. He had actual lead pencils. You guys know which ones I'm talking about. He went inside and grabbed it. He came up to me, told me, if you don't get up from my seat, I'm gonna hit you with this pencil. And I didn't believe him. And I was a kid, you guys. I just wanted to sit down. And I did not get up. He's my right knee, and I just remember screaming and crying. There's a big empty field in front of us. I limped my way to the field, and I was just sitting there on the floor, like holding my knee, hugging it, and just crying. Eventually, I limped my way home. I was like down the block. I had told my mom, this happened on a Sunday. I had told my mom I was extremely neglected as a child. When my mom saw my leg and she saw me crying, she just sent me to my room. I remember by Saturday, I could not put on any tight jeans. I had to wear sweatpants only. My leg was so swollen and I could not bend my knee on my right leg either. And my mom had dropped me off at my grandma's house. And the second my grandma saw me walk in, like, what's wrong with you? Showed her and I told her. She called my mom. I love my grandma. Scolded her and she made her take me to the hospital. Eventually, I got discharged. I had to go to a few more appointments from there, and then my mom just randomly stopped taking me one day. I remember at one point overhearing the doctor with my mom and him saying, amputate. Just imagine how different my life would have been. I can't even. This guy was very popular in my hometown. I think the family knew they were going to get in trouble because they literally moved. By the time I got out of the hospital, I think that they had already found a new place to live. The girl never talked to me again. And we went to the same school and everything. Eventually, she never talked to me again.
We got a homemade seafood bowl. Look at these lobster claws. Look at that. First bite for you.
I forgot my lemon. Lemon. Look at this lobster claw. Lemon. Crab. Potato. Shrimp. Excuse me. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, 9 times out of 10, the imitation crab tastes better than the real crab. Look at that. Sausage. Egg. Yeah. 3 hours later. Look at that muscle, y'all. So I hate when it say it's gonna rain and it doesn't fucking rain. Where's the rain? I'm no longer excited for school. I just like, why was I excited? I don't know. Look at all of that. The potatoes are so good. Y'all, them shrimps must have had diarrhea before they got caught, because But y'all, it's my last bite. Well, let me redo that. It's my last bite. Well, let me find the onion too. It's my last bite. All right, y'all, we got McDonald's. We got 2 daily doubles, and I am hungry. I'm hungry. I gotta stop waiting all day to eat.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm back and I got some Death by Pizza. This is my favorite pizza, so let's eat. This is the pork carbonara. I've never tried anything like this. This is a pepperoni hot honey jalapeno. Oh yeah. Alright, and then we have the white slice. This is honestly one of my favorite slices there. Alright, and then we have the vodka slice. And I've never tried their chocolate chip cookies from here, but literally, this thing is massive, like huge. I'm actually really excited.
Hey y'all, I made some Philly cheesesteak sliders and we got some loaded fries with cheese and bacon. These about to slap, no lie. I put a lot of bacon on these fries. Hey, I can almost eat these in one bite. Cheesy. And I do got some onions and peppers in there, because I know y'all coming talking about my Philly. This meal right here is very yummy. Mm-hmm. Some of this Philly meat would be good on these fries, not gonna lie.
Let's eat some Chick-fil-A. I got all their new pretzel club sandwiches. Okay, let's start off with the spicy one. Ooh, this looks so freaking bomb. Oh my gosh. Wow. Have a bite. Not gonna lie, I love the texture of the pretzel. This is freaking bomb. The sandwich is not too spicy too. It's just like a hint. Okay, up next we have the grilled one. This looks so commercial freaking ready. Honestly, I would give this an 8 out of 10. It's really good. The chicken is like fresh too. I love that. This is the original. Look how good that looks, bro. Oh my gosh. It has lettuce, tomatoes, the cheddar cheese, and then the 2 pieces of bacon, and then just the chicken. I usually don't eat fried chicken sandwiches with lettuce and tomatoes, but this one, this is fire. I gotta try this with zesty buffalo. You can't forget about their fries. I would say the ends are my favorite. Of course, I got the mac and cheese. I love how they include the toasted cheese. Fried sushi.
What's good, y'all? We got some tacos. Here, y'all get a bite. Here got a regular street taco. They ain't give me no lime, no sauce or nothing. Here I go. Horchata. Y'all make sure y'all like the video.
Wingstop for tomorrow. I'm so glad that my granny told me about this next week to get some Burger King. We got some voodoo fries and my grandma's dog sunglasses used to eat all the time back in the day when he was in elementary school. Cheesy. Gotta dump the fries in the sauce. Oh my god. Garlic parmesan look a little bit plain. I love bone-in Wingstop. It reminds me of when I used to walk my fish. She used to play catch with me and then soccer after school.
Let's try Chili's Nashville hot mozzarella sticks. Oh my gosh, there's so much sauce on it. That's really good. These are literally dripping. This is so messy.
It's 2 a.m. Best fried chicken. Garlic honey mustard bulldog sauce. Get the sushi. Take 5 bites. Matcha ube banana pudding. So good. Viral fruit ice cream, cheesecake shaved ice. Everything's from the food court in Kaija Market. Oh my. Shaved ice, cheesecake, and ice cream. Mango. Also got their bubble tea. I like the boba, they're warm. Mango. Refreshing. If you like Asian food and fresh produce, this is the spot. They got everything you can think of. Y'all should go check it out and let me know what you think. Grab this on the way out. So you're supposed to think I'm doing. Wrap it right off.
Hey y'all, today I'm eating Chili's.
We got some Dave's Hot Chicken, sucker. How you doing?
How you doing?
I legit saw those dudes creeping up like it was guerrilla warfare or some shit. I said, they're definitely coming to my car. Y'all ever see me in public? You come say what's good. Never enough Dave's sauce. I love you, Dave. Yeah, that's sexy.